I got started in Earth observation when I was studying at the University of Queensland way back in 1999, which seems like a lifetime ago now. It was not until 2005 though when I actually started working as a Earth observation scientist. Yeah, I was studying ecology at university, and one of our lecturers recommended that we take a course in Earth observation. And when I did, I realised how applicable it was to solving all of the ecology problems that we'd been studying, and that's what got me really interested in it.
The day I walked into university almost 30 plus years ago, was the first class was on Earth observation, and it captured me because it was about understanding the environment, doing work in the environment and working with people to solve a lot of problems.
I used to work at Kodak Express developing and printing people's photos. And during the university holidays back in my second year, I was back working at Kodak in Canberra, and I was chatting to one of our regular customers who was a wedding photographer. And he asked what I was doing at uni, and I mentioned that I was doing geography, and he asked if I was taking classes in remote sensing. And it turned out that he worked at Geoscience Australia. So he asked me if I was interested in going and doing a tour at Geoscience Australia, which I did, and that was the first time that I saw Landsat data was being live streamed on a big screen. It was super exciting, and I loved it from there on in.
It was kind of by accident. My first degree was physics, and not a lot of jobs for physicists, so I started surveying and went off and was a cadastral surveyor, and then came into academia, and I was looking to do a PhD. And I was just talking to a colleague about, it looked like cool, because it's a connection between the spatial stuff from my surveying life and all the physics gear from my previous life. And I just asked Armando, what would I have to do? And he said, give it a crack. So he took me down and introduced me to Stuart Phinn at UQ, and I've sort of taken it from there.